We'll sit here in like weird silence for like 3 minutes at the start of the stream.
Okay. We'll only start speaking when Phoenix arrives.
Yeah, we just come in quiet.
Yeah.
Don't say a thing.
That'd be great for viewership.
Just like a surprise party for surprise party for Phoenix.
Just sit here in awkward silence on stream.
You gotta tell us when we're live.
That's a bold strategy.
I mean,
are we
you
live?
Streaming.
You can pull up the stream and tell if we're live or not.
We're live.
Oh.
It's a bold strategy. Say nothing during a stream.
Phoenix.
I don't see
If Phoenix doesn't
anywhere.
get here if he doesn't get here in 2 minutes, let's just end the stream.
Yeah, just quick end the stream.
Yeah.
Good morning, chat. Good morning, Abu, Fletcher, Dave. We've already said hello. Ethan, good morning. Where is Phoenix? Everybody in the chat, roast Phoenix when he tunes in, because this stream is especially on Thursday just for him. And
I rearranged my schedule just to do it.
Yep.
So
cancel my doctor's appointment.
When you see Harsh Singh in the chat, you roast him royally.
So good.
Palm has been blow drying his hair, waiting for Phoenix.
There it is. There he is. Late.
Oh,
Late.
Okay. Late Phoenix.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Throw this whole throw this whole party for him.
I know. Quack, quack, quack.
Oh wait, I forgot. Let's go.
See, was the NQ at 21k 120?
620.
Yeah.
1 hour issue.
My interest is all to the downside on NQ. So, I am starting to see some blocks higher at like 700, 750, somewhere around there, but looks like the main draws down here in the mid 500s and down at 500.
You want to hear my key level on NQ?
Are you gonna spam the soundboard today, Palm?
Oh, no.
I'm gonna spam it. I'm gonna
Palm just found the
properly use
soundboard.
Yeah, yesterday.
And when you did that, a little trumpet came up on the on your video. It's
Oh,
hilarious.
really?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, do it-
Okay.
do it
So it
again.
tells you who's doing it.
Yeah, do it again. It's awesome.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
No doubt.
Oh, there it is. Yep, there it is. There it is. Yeah.
Nice.
All the stupid things that it uses. That's awesome. I love it. As promised today, I also brought my Spurs.
With horse
Because
poop
the
still on
conversation
them.
Yes, with horse poop still on them.
Okay.
Palm.
Oh
The
no.
golf clap was so
Take
good.
his soundboard away from him.
Oh no.
He discovered it last night.
Alright,
Too much.
we'll chill. We'll save it for special occasions.
All right.
Okay, I like it.
Oh, that's funny. We do still have the gap fill to go on NQ, so I don't. With interest lower, but
It's
having
just
the
sitting
gap
there.
fill higher, it's kind of
Menacingly.
Yeah. I don't know.
kind of scary.
I don't know.
This also looks like we're going to open up right on top of overnight volume too. So originally when we were still down at like 13s, 10s, I was like, okay, if we open here, break below for me looks pretty good. But opening up on top of volume like this is always suspect.
Yeah,
That
right.
was-
Right.
I think
Right.
usually-
A VWAP too.
Yeah, it usually gives us a little bit of a range.
My key level is 531. Okay, sure.
Sick.
Ethan, that would be ideal.
Why 531? Prior day's overnight low?
No, just actually half the range of yesterday's total range, just right in the middle there. Anything
Gotcha.
above, I like longs. Anything below, I like shorts.
Excellent.
What is with this pump right before market open?
I don't know. It's doing it on the YM as well. If something happens,
Yeah, it is.
Did something get released?
At 9:29 a.m. Eastern?
I don't
Makes
know. I'm
zero
as confused
sense.
as you are.
We-
No, it doesn't make any sense at all.
We
Nothing's
do
making
have 10
sense the
a.m.
last
news,
2
by the way.
days.
Do we? I didn't see that. What do we have?
Yeah. Home sales, I think. I don't know. Don't quote me.
Oh, okay.
I just know there's news.
I think
Yep.
we go down.
Yeah,
a
Porch,
little
I don't know
bit.
what that was all about.
It's to go down. We're gonna go down at open. How about that?
Word.
I don't know.
Kramer
We're
said-
creating a
Kramer
wick
said it
on
right
the
here.
YM just before open. What is going on?
That's not good.
Yeah, I don't know what. I have no idea. So I'll be.
Is there some
There we go.
geopolitical news?
No, we're chilling. Still in like
We're
a
ripping.
40-point range from the overnight on the YM.
Yeah, it's just
Am I looking
The
at the
YM's
same chart you guys are?
not. Yeah, it's not rip. It's not ripping. What are you talking about?
Rock YM is.
Well, I'm looking at the YM.
That's ripping for the YM. You have
Oh,
to. You have
sorry.
Those
to.
5 ticks.
Sorry. That's ripping. See, I told you we're going down. And then it goes shoot straight
A
up.
whole
take out
10
over.
points. Yes, of course. Of course it will.
Trying to help people. My fade signal service.
I just sense a lot of VWAP chop here for a few minutes.
Yeah, I definitely could see that.
Yeah. You
I
are
would not
spot
be
on by
surprised
that.
at all.
So Nims, how long do we have you for today?
Half hour. I don't know why I'm in a trade when I've got half hour.
Don't do that, man.
Why are you in a trade?
Why are you?
I don't know because I mean I'm front running my level because I'm expecting maybe a move up, but I mean I'm up $100 at the moment. I've not got the best entry. Now I'm negative.
Oh, I'm negative.
Go
It's
for it.
literally me on every trade. Oh, I'm negative.
I'm up, I'm down, I'm up, I'm down.
All right.
I mean it rejected where I didn't want it to reject.
Already? Long from
Yeah,
where?
I went long too.
35?
60.
53 for me. But I don't know.
It's not really getting the follow through here.
I thought we would
Yeah.
get some follow through.
We
Yeah.
have some buyers, but we're not pushing through payline yet, so I'm a little sus.
Yeah, it is a little sus.
Wes, that does not mean close your position because I said something.
No, I'm not. I'm not listening.
Are you on eval or
La, la,
funded
la, la,
then?
No,
la,
I'm
la, la,
unfunded.
la.
I don't have any evals.
Gotcha.
Come on, don't come down and do that. Yeah, you dog. Freaky.
Yeah, I needed to follow through. It's not going to, I don't think.
No, I think 10-point shots are
YM's
day to
YM's
day.
trying. He's saying I should take 10 points on the YM.
No, take 200 points on the way in.
I might
I
have to
wish.
close this for a loss.
What is YM per point versus per tick? Because YM doesn't have decimals, right? It's just like the round numbers.
A point is basically a tick. Imagine it's the same as the
Yeah.
NQ.
Yeah, but the NQ is decimals.
Yeah, I mean a point is $5.
Okay. So does it have ticks or is it just points?
It's just points.
Ah, gotcha.
Oh, I don't like this at all.
Oh, it's
I'm
not good.
kind of liking mine, but it keeps rejecting where I want it to push through. It's kind of looking like what a great setup for a short would be, and I'm the other direction.
Yep, mine's looking like that too.
Yeah,
I need to be
Do I
careful.
put in
here.
a break-even stop?
I did a break-even stop because I just wasn't. It's just back.
Alright, if we can crack through this, then I like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to close this. Well, there's a $400 loss right off the rip.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Come on, YM. Give me a
Switch
little
accounts
bit more.
here.
There it comes down.
It's like it never happened.
I was positive for about 5 seconds on that trade.
Oh my gosh, it's like it never happened.
Stop showing VWAP. Stop it.
In hindsight, Wes, sorry for the loss, but you also got long like right at payline before
Yeah.
you broke it.
Yeah, I was anticipating breakout. It was a stupid play. It's okay.
I mean, it's not. You're not wrong to anticipate it. The last like 3 days
Right.
have had great
Right.
breakouts.
Yeah, but we sat there and said we expect VWAP chop, and I bought
That's also true.
Right.
the extreme.
Like even yesterday had a. I mean, I don't want to say great breakout because it wasn't great in my opinion, but it did break out. I mean, we ran through opening range low and then pay line low, and this is interesting to me.
Yeah, right here, I like the shorts here.
I want to see a retrade like into 20, ideally into like 24 to get short.
Yeah, I got in a little early. I'm in at 12. I just want to break even because if it does retrace, I don't feel like taking a loss on it. I'll jump back in. I got in too early. Yeah, break even. That's all right, though. I still like it going down.
Yeah, that's. I mean, we haven't retested it yet. Damn.
Yeah, I jump back in.
Nice.
I might just take my 10 points and leave, though, the way it's going. I don't know. You know what? No, I'll hang in. I went break even because I just don't like it moving around like that.
Oh, sorry, Martin. Hi. Morning, Kev.
Yeah, that's what I don't like seeing right there. I still think it goes down.
Yeah, if it can get through 600.
Everything in my bones is telling me that it's gotta.
I'd really like a retest of like 625.
Yeah, I kind of want to see VWAP again a little bit higher. They're playing those games.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Breakout traders get wrecked in this
Yeah.
in this environment. They just get
Absolutely. Boy, it just gives you every signal that it's going to do it. Then, oop, rug pull.
Just the reversals are brutal.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Yeah, these reversals on the YM. It's pretty sketchy.
Too funny.
I'm
Too
flicking between
funny.
$130 up and $90 off. Just edge of my seat stuff.
So funny. Yeah, it's going to come back to VWAP like you guys said.
Oh, we'll see. Paul might have the. Yeah.
I'm not in yet.
What did Palm want
I
to
am
do?
not.
Because that's
He-
what it's going to do.
He
not
was
in.
looking at a 625
Yeah.
short.
Whatever, I'm telling you, do what Palm says.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, come on.
See, Palm, I'm starting to like the long.
Yeah.
Come on, YM.
Let's see what ES is doing.
Come on, give me a little bit more.
Maybe. Might be onto something. Well, it's clear I don't know what
Take
I'm
me
talking
out.
about.
God, why'd that take so long to take me out? Is no one trading this? Okay. I think it's
Is
going to
no
go
one
higher. I
trading
shouldn't.
the YM?
I
don't know. You went for that
It was
one.
past my.
I mean,
it
was that a
past my
rhetorical
line.
question?
It was past my take profit line, and it was just like not moving. Like it was just wasn't taking it, and I was just like, "What is
100.
going on?"
I
100%
did not.
Rhetorical question.
I didn't take any trade there at 25 just because we tested it and then grinded through it. I never got the
Grinded,
rejection
yeah.
I was looking for to hop in, so I'm flat.
Why did
Yeah.
I take that off? Why did I take it off? Why am I chasing profit targets?
Don't.
There's just nothing to do here.
I mean, I've got a great trade on the. I had a great trade on the YM, and I took it off because I'd reached $1,000 for the day.
Still locked in 1,000, dog.
Yeah, I know, but it's...
Are you trading with? I know you said you added on a few positions. When you add on those, do you treat them as scale outs or do you take everything off at the same time?
No, sometimes I'll scale out. Sometimes there's like ads and DCAs. Sometimes like I'll like play about with like some micros for things that like I like. I don't know. I like. Normally I like to just be like one or two and then just have
All
a
in, all
set thing. But yeah, but sometimes I'll be like, I'll just take one off now if I want to go and do something else, if it's been like a long position.
Yeah, I mean that's my take on it is when you're trading like a large, especially a larger move, like you're looking. I mean, inherently, because you're trading the YM, it moves like molasses, but you're going to be in a position for a long time. It helps me at least to take something off. Like that's why my first two scale outs are at, or my first two contracts come off at 20 points, so that I can lock that in, have a green position, and then I don't care what happens to the rest. Like if it runs for the full target, that's sick. If it doesn't, I still got paid, you know?
Yeah. Ah,
Trying to be
That being
patient
said,
here.
don't take my advice. I don't
see,
know
my
what I'm talking
trade,
about.
my first trade today was only 13 hours.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That's impressive
13
patience.
hours, he says.
Yeah, that's really impressive
Unbelievable.
patience. I could never.
No, I certainly couldn't.
I mean, I've done it. I've definitely slept in a trade, but
Did you actually sleep though, or were
Yeah.
you? Yeah, impressive.
And you want to know, he talks about molasses. Of those 13 hours, it went literally like my direction pretty much the whole time, and I ended with $700.
there is
Nice.
just no
This is
follow
brutal.
through either way. I have to put in a break even stop here.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Wait,
Like
are you long or short?
I would long from 40, but it's just doing nothing.
It's doing
like
absolutely nothing.
Yeah, we're sitting inside of opening range.
Yeah, nothing to do.
Alright, it's making me feel better on my wire. Shrouded 2 types, Nims getting out spoots. You got 40 though.
I really need to make my custom indicator this weekend, or my custom study. I wanted to, like, I got inspired by Goose where he made the whole glizzy clipper thing.
oh yeah.
I wanted to just like edit my open, high, low, close study so that I could have all the information I want just in one study without having to mess around with different things. So like right now I have opening range shown, but I also want to see initial balance, but I can't. Like when I'm using the motive wave one, I have to choose between opening range or initial balance. I want to change that so it has both, and then I also want to include the pay lines on it, and then I also want to have the opening range be like extended. You know how single prints, if they don't fill, they just extend on your chart, something like that. So that's my weekend project.
Well, that was the sickest wick out break even. I was in at 50. Came up,
Alright, let me move
wicked
to
me
this
out, and
crackhead
then
and see
just
what
went
it's
right
doing.
straight down.
It's
Oh,
doing
Oh god,
gosh.
nothing.
I literally would have had a 25-point
violently.
trade there.
It's
Unbelievable.
what, it's just 60 points up and down.
Oh, I was in at 50. God dang it.
How do you trade
this gets
this?
so
How do you
frustrating.
actually trade this?
I
mean, right now
I don't know how you guys do it.
You click buttons.
You throw a dart at the dartboard.
Yeah. I mean,
What you did, Mason. Or
The
Martin.
fact
I
that
thought you
the
said
fact
you
that
were
we
leaving
didn't
her.
the fact that we didn't straight flush leads me to
Here we
think
go.
we need to explore higher, but
We still
Oh,
have news at 10, so maybe the market's waiting on that. I don't know.
What, waiting on home sales? I doubt it.
Listen, man, I don't know.
That's what's going to move the market. All the
I
earnings
mean,
are
let's
doing
try
the
it
home
again.
sales.
It wasn't FOMC, so
Let's trying along again.
I don't know, man.
from
I think. Where'd you get in,
42.
man?
It's just not wanting to do anything. It feels like it wants to
Yeah.
take the top off, but
market went to the barbers and take the top off.
I mean, look at this. This is just
Waste management is ripping. Up 5%.
Damn.
Hey. ready for the golf tournament, apparently.
The Waste
They
Management
sponsor a
sponsor
golf
the...
tournament?
Yeah, the Waste Management Open.
Oh,
Down there in Scottsdale. I've played. It's at the
what an
TPC.
unfortunate sponsor.
TPC Scottsdale. I've played that course. It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
Okay.
It's actually a public course.
Break even here.
It's just a big party. The
Can
16th
imagine.
hole is amazing.
What happens on the 16th hole?
Well, it's a par 3, and they built this basically stadium around it with the bleachers and everything, and people just
Yeah, it's
who
wild.
go crazy.
cool.
Just look it up. Look some YouTubes up
It
on it.
is wild.
That's
It's
pretty cool.
amazing. People go nuts.
All right, Intel to $10 a share this evening.
I swear, if this thing rips higher now,
Is that a lot?
it made one little dip down to take my break even here.
We're
Isn't
still
it,
at
though?
opening range.
So
dude.
crazy. Yeah, we are.
Watch this.
We're just pushing out of it right now. But I mean, we still for me always the like real resistance point is pay line. If we can get above or outside of pay lines, I'm convinced in the continuation. So right now we're trading opening range high, but we're still below 666. That's a really
It's
unfortunate
just,
number.
this is just,
That's
is an
unfortunate.
unfortunate number. Oh my gosh. That is an unfortunate number.
Oh, I
We
could have
still
probably
have that
held this
gap
trade
above
all
us.
day.
That gap is like menacing to me. If I get long at any point, my full fill is probably going, or like my full target's probably going to be half gap. I don't know about full gap fill,
Oh,
but half
gap's
gap
pretty good.
definitely.
It can break through this. That's a big if.
Yeah, large ask. We're at, looks decent.
Ooh,
We have buyers
yep.
coming in. I like it.
I'm long at 60.
I'd like to see a retrace down to 666 right now.
I'm going to regret this, but I'm going to just take my 15 points and move on. I know I'll regret it. I know. Yep, there it goes.
I'm long from 677.
What's going on? People don't sound like they're having fun on the NQ. Just not even looking. I'm just hearing expressions,
Are we ever?
sighing.
I just made
people complaining
$300,
about
but well, 250. I had some slippage, but I got out because I was like, I'm not going to ride this.
Where's it silent?
Wow.
Is that Wes?
in,
Are you on
Paul.
the long?
No, the thing wicked down and
Oh,
got me
sorry.
to
There
the
you go.
tick
There-
and then
there it
ran,
goes.
dude.
I was
Again.
As soon as said you're silent. I was my bad.
Yeah. So, Wes, saw you put a video out last night about someone trying to convince you of the YM.
So, Palm, I got in on that one at 660.25, and I got out at 72.75, and I would like to just throw something right now.
Bro, I mean, dude, this thing's
Don't throw
almost
your
to my full
monitor.
target, bro. Like, are you kidding me with the one little wick down to bottom tick me out of my trade again?
Gosh,
So it's going into a short, boys.
Like, bro.
I'm sorry, Wes. I'm sorry.
When YM wouldn't have done that to you.
How the heck? Why
That's
did I
probably
get out?
true, actually.
There's full target.
Oh,
All right, I'm out of
Wow.
my
At least you're not dwelling on
first
it.
target and my second target. I just have my last target at half gap at
go
841.
Palm, go Palm. You're the man. You held where I didn't.
Ah, no, slow down.
You're
There's
the man.
plenty of time to throw it all away during the day.
No way, dude. You called this one. I did too. I just chickened out.
Just watching
Paper
Wes'
hands.
face, trying
Paper hands.
to contain his anger.
What? You watching my
Just watching
face?
your
Oh, is
face.
everybody
Yeah.
just watching me in total disgust right now? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
bro.
weird.
I mean, the chat probably saw it if they were watching. They saw what happened there. They saw
It's like- it's
exactly
like-
what happened there.
This.
It's like someone's just cut you off and flipped you off in the car, but you've got kids in the car and you're just trying to contain it.
That one trade, I would have passed my eval on the one I was working on the other yesterday.
You held it.
I mean,
Friday.
bro.
All right. I got to go through the stages of whatever it is now. At first it was denial. Now I'm just in grief. I have to laugh.
Unbelievable.
YM, stop going up.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know whether I should have my full target at half gap or just have it at like the beginning of the gap fill. Because I mean, even the beginning of the gap fill is a 100-point trade. That's pretty large.
Go, Paul.
Like,
You're still in one?
I don't want to.
Yeah, he held on to it.
I'm still in one runner. I just I don't want to be greedy and look for some outrageous 200-point trade. You know.
Way to go, Forge.
Let me see what's going on the Dom here. Are you laughing at me, Nibs? You think this is funny?
Yeah. I'm just I flick on the stream to see the chat, and I think I'm a bit behind. It's just you puffing out your cheeks and just looking raging, but trying to contain it.
I mean, that is me raging.
Yeah.
You know what I didn't have? I didn't have Wes telling me to hold on to it.
Palm, it looks like just shy of 800. There's some liquidity. So that would be a safe exit.
Yeah, so I'll just target 780. That's right where the gap kind of starts.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Back in it. That was the trade of the day. Palm, you are in the trade of the day. Good job.
I'm not out of it yet.
No, this
is another 40 points.
No, this is great because Palm on the stream has been getting wrecked early.
Yeah, that's true.
This is
pillaged.
That's what Palm. Yeah. Go Palm.
Thanks, boys.
Yeah, no, GG.
We'll see if it actually runs to target. It looks good,
dude.
but
Well, you've already took two. You've already took two off, right? So you're.
I'm up 150 regardless.
Yeah.
How much are you actually up though?
Nice Fletcher.
Fletcher catch it too. I know he's a dog with these trades.
Yeah, he is.
YM, stop going up.
I was in at 60. I was in at 60. No reason to get out.
Hold on, let me throw.
I'm glad everybody but me was able to hop on this thing.
Way to go, Fletch. 648. Nice. That's. Oh, dude, you did a candle in green.
Banger entry. Fletcher, why'd you get long 648 specifically? I'm interested. Because for me, that's a no-go, don't touch zone.
You know what? I'm seeing a pattern here. You know when I predict the market to crash on earnings or to go down 500 points, we go 500 points the opposite way the next day, every time.
That was just a key level.
Yeah.
It was just an area you had as marked as a line in the sand, I guess.
Boys, look at the stream.
Yeah, 635 for me was the deal.
That's my trade.
What are you doing on stream? Wait, I can't see it.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Sorry, dog.
Sorry, I'm trying not to laugh. All right.
Now, Fletcher on the 15 minutes. 635 was a key level for me on the 15 minute.
Yeah, I think super important, just the level I have for the morning. Okay, got it. Good to know.
So does this...
this needs to hold up here, otherwise I'm going to get break-evened, which is going to be very exciting.
Yeah, we're back down.
With myself. I am so disgusted with myself.
You're disgusted with yourself.
Well, because I made the choice to get out. You got kind of ticked out. I made the choice to get out, and I paper-handed instead of having diamond hands like Palm. So, I mean you got bad luck. You got bad luck. I made a bad decision.
Dude, I'm getting break-evened here, so it's kind of tough. See, this is why I struggle with runners in general, is because I could have taken...
Yeah,
I wouldn't trade... I like 50, but it's just this one last contract, though. If I'd kept it at my my original target that I have set in the bracket, it would have filled. It's just because I was looking for the extended, what PAX calls macro targets. So in this case, macro target to me means gap fill. That's the obvious target to the upside. That's what I struggle with.
You still might get it.
You might get it. Where did it stop? It stopped just short, which is pretty suspect.
NQ's just doing NQ things right now.
Yeah, you
I'm-
might bounce
I'm
off
very
overnight.
suspect about it.
Might bounce off yesterday's high.
Yeah, I'm very sus about it. We'll see.
Nah, I think you're good.
Oh, Wes, you got played dirty. You got done dirty by the on that.
Yeah,
you really
that's
did.
been a
It did.
repeated occurrence recently.
I'm just disgusted with myself because I made that decision instead of having, I don't know if I feel better or worse if I would have got ticked out or making a dumb decision. But yeah.
Why'd you stay in a relationship with someone who treats you so poorly, Wes?
I'm still profitable. I'm still making money.
Poking the bear.
That's a good point.
I mean, what the
It's a very good point.
jeez.
All right, I just took my runner off. I am not about to watch this come all the way back down. The
Fletcher.
range from
Like he does
720
with
to
you,
680.
Like he does with you.
The potential for me to
What?
the potential for us to range from 720 to 680 here is just, I think, a little too high for me.
Yeah.
So I took that runner off for
Yeah, Dave voice
Obviously.
key level.
less than I'd like, but I'm okay with it. I'm
It's
probably done
okay.
for the day.
You had a banger though. You had the trade of the morning.
Thanks.
I mean,
We'll see
Beau-
now if
and
I made the
beautifully
right
managed.
decision.
oh, beautifully.
I don't
managed.
know. We'll see.
I mismanaged that like you read about.
Was it textbook,
I
Dave?
It was literally textbook.
Putting on a clinic. Yeah, I took like what is it, 678 to
I still like
7
longs.
Can't do that. I took like just like 35 points of profit on the last, like, the runner contract, which is right around where my second contract went off,
Okay.
or my second target. I don't know. Maybe it runs all the way back up. I'm just gonna lock it in.
It probably will. There's big orders
Yeah.
resting above.
Yeah.
You did a great job though. You did a great
I
job.
can't blame anyone
Thanks.
but myself for my exit. Because the YM's given you zero reason to get out of my long.
Are you still up a bag on the day, as they say?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, news.
Whoa.
Yeah.
be
Oh,
careful.
that's
That
our
wasn't
home
even
sales.
news. We're still 3 minutes from news. That was
Yeah.
just like NQ.
Mom, you
being
can feel
NQ.
good about it, brother. You can feel good about that.
YM
exit
did
now.
the same though as well.
The ES did the
Thank
same
you.
too. That was a 10-point instant move on the ES too.
Nvidia,
Interesting.
Nvidia, that is the common culprit of this.
Yeah,
done.
honestly.
Oh my goodness. Well,
Oh my god, look at
Okay.
Nvidia's graph for the day. Yeah, it's just violently plummeted out of nowhere. Just lost
be
$1
another,
a share in like a second.
Screw it.
deep seek.
I heard the word screw it, which means that something bad's about to happen. What are you doing?
Screw it.
Wait, what? Oh god.
Oh, he's long. Okay.
Yeah,
He's
probably
like,
about to get
Ah,
wrecked too, because that's
yeah.
my luck lately.
I mean, it's a tilt trade, it sounds.
Okay, I would have gotten break even. So
Yikes.
all right.
Good job. I mean, you made good decisions there. I mean, you
Sorry, Fletcher. See, that was no, it didn't.
Porch, I'm sorry.
That
I'm sorry. That's my fault. Sorry, Porch. There
That was
no
my
reason to
my
get-
like
Yikes.
issue with it.
Yikes.
As soon as we started, $70 trailed. As soon as we started like ranging, reclaimed
I have to kill
720.
this. I'm
bounced
down
up
like
to it.
$1,200 on the session right now.
Damn, bro. It might be a good time to just like. I mean, it's not even 10 a.m. It's probably a good time to just like chill out.
couple of minutes anyway.
You got a punching bag in your office?
No, I mean, I feel I'm gonna get punched if I make a comment.
It
Through the
keeps
screen.
You can it was stupid.
No,
I
I'm
mean,
not gonna-
when
not
when
gonna
you when you
roast,
when
man.
when Wes is taking a trade and the words that come out before the trade are "screw it," you know that it's probably not gonna go well.
It's not gonna go well.
Yeah, we're not gonna roast, man. It's just it might be a good time to just take a step back, like hands off for the next 30 minutes, hour or something.
And then I look at Wes's charts and it's literally in the middle of no man's zone from his levels. He's
Well,
placed
I'm seeing all the interest high. It wasn't. It was thought out. I'm seeing
Okay.
all the interest
Mhm.
higher. I
Mhm.
saw the impulse
Yeah.
sell-off. Typically, when you see those quick impulse out of nowhere sell-offs, you get a retrace rather instantly. It just didn't
Yeah.
happen this time, and I didn't have a stop on as well. So it is what it is.
5 seconds to news. 5 seconds.
All right. Home sales is what's going to move the markets.
Home sales is gonna bring us to all-time highs.
But yeah, that's it. Oh, financial juice lagging. So many people refreshing to find out home
Boy,
sales.
Look at that.
Oh, I'm
Home
gonna be
sales.
digging out
Oh.
a major hole today, chat. Major
no.
hole today. Luckily, it was on 2 different accounts. So one is 700 down.
Okay.
The other is 500 down.
Oh, that's not as bad. That sounds a lot better.
I told you, when you switch accounts, it's like nothing happened.
Yeah. Uh,
You're not
home,
wrong.
home sales was horrific. Minus 5.5%. Expectation was what, 0.
Oh, Jesus. Nice. Hey, we got 19 people in here today.
Nice. People enjoy misery, it seems.
Apparently.
Oh, I'm the
Oh
only
my
one in
gosh.
misery. You guys aren't in misery.
I've had my fair share on stream.
Oh, and right back to view up.
Yep.
Kind of
Nothing to
wild
do
that we
here.
didn't fill that gap. Like, we didn't even test the gap. We got
I know. Watch, we're gonna fully
Like
recover this whole sell-off
30.
too.
I mean, that
Yeah,
was
we got
a,
30 points shy.
that was a
pretty
mean
wild.
15-minute wick there.
What's correlating all the indexes currently?
There
That's what
isn't.
scares me with when that happens.
Trump coin.
Trump coin.
Maybe Microsoft, I guess.
Albu, I'm down $1,200. I don't know what they are.
I'm across like sum total of all the fundeds. I'm up 1,800.
I love Albert comes
Yeah.
in one awesome morning. Like, sorry.
I'm up $247.
I know, right? What an awesome
Albu
morning.
coming in here.
Albu didn't watch me get break even to the tick and then the thing run over 100 points in my favor and then FOMO into an impulse trade and get blasted.
Oof. Look at this. Nikes, we're going downtown.
Oh, yeah, when we are on the YM too, yeah. I don't know what's going on.
How to sound? You don't have permissions to upload sounds to the server. Damn.
Who says that?
Nah.
That's wrong.
Nah,
Discord.
you'll get permissions when you're on time. When you're
Why
on
do you want
time,
the-
Palm, you'll get permissions.
Who wants
I
the
don't know what you're
terrorists
talking
in
about.
that?
I said 9:15 sharp, and I got here 9:15 sharp.
Mate, I watched that message be
holy.
edited like 3 times from 9:10, 9:13, 9:15.
I'm
Yeah,
in
my
a
bad.
short, and
Bro,
I'm
oh
gonna
my
get
God.
out of it right now. I just took a
I
short
looked-
there. And it
I looked
ran.
away for like 30 seconds, and then just got
Yeah.
back to the chart. What the?
I got
You know what's
in
crazy?
real late. I'll take that.
You guys don't have like range
Nvidia
charts or
dumping.
Renko charts up, right?
No.
So
I'm
on
up
my
8.
end, like I can see all of, like there's no time component, it's just price. So all of that, literally that whole thing that just like spazzed out was all within 1 second. 10, I can't talk. 10 a.m., 2 minutes, 31 seconds. All of that happened in literally 1 second. That's kind of wild.
Yeah. yeah. Yeah, it was instant.
Right. I rode the
That's
last part of
insane.
that short.
26
for-
points of slippage, Phoenix? No, that's not normal.
That's not normal.
I mean, it's like I want to say it's not normal, but like looking at the chart, I could see how that happens. Like we just
Count-wrecking.
spazzed out within the span of a second. We covered, 26 points, top to bottom, from 31, 32s ish down to 04, 05.
I did something you shouldn't do. I chased that short. At the end of it, I went from 615 to 584, got out. So it's 30 points. I know I didn't get the whole ride, but Didn't want this to happen.
No, you
So I'm
locked
up.
up something. Good job.
Yeah, I'm up 860 on the day, 859.40.
Nice.
So, but yeah, I mean, that was risky as hell. But I was so frustrated. I'm like, this is. Well, I knew that it wanted at least 574. Knew that. So.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is why Dave gave the example of why people trade the NQ. You're up almost the same amount as me, but mine took like 15 hours to achieve.
Right. And I did that specific trade lasted less than a minute, about 40 seconds.
I thought I was gonna get a follow through 600, but it's still pretty heavy. It looks like.
Yeah, I think it's got. I mean, on the 15-minute, I've kind of got a target all the way down at 386. I don't know if it does that. Up my 531 key level, I think that'll get touched.
Key level.
No.
The V key level, not just any key level. V key level.
Right. V H E.
Yeah. Let's see.
Boys, my accounts are almost back to positive.
Oh, nice.
Almost.
Nice.
I mean, some slippage across them from, I guess, one day had some slippage. Some are
Pardon?
75 away, some are 125 away.
I think after recovering a little bit, that I'm just going to go. I get spurs.
All right, I have to call it a day. I am down $1,700 now.
Oh,
Sorry, dude.
Where did you take? Okay, you obviously took another one. I
Dang,
won't ask
Wes.
that question.
You're gonna get paddled.
that's
Just
Wes.
wrecked.
Sorry, man. Sorry. Jeez.
DJP, do you fancy switching to the cattle charts with that outfit on?
Hell yeah.
I don't know cattle at all. I mean, I know cows, but I don't know the futures.
Dude, I took a cattle trade once and it was honestly sick. I never trade patterns, but I saw like an ascending wedge or whatever it's called, bought the trend line and made like $700. It was sick.
You serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, watch that 900
Okay.
long list.
Oh my
Good.
gosh,
Oh,
Wes.
no,
This is
oh,
brutal.
no.
That's brutal. Wes, I mean, that is just. Ugh. It's almost personal. It feels like it's personal now.
Fletcher, now's not the time, okay?
Oh
All
my
right.
gosh.
If anyone's going to antagonize Wesley, it will be me, alright? Stay in your
Oh,
lane.
Wes, that's brutal.
Fletcher, am I seeing you in Vegas in October?
For round 2.
Oh, Matt doing another meetup.
I'm like, it kind of. I don't know. It's not really planned, but that's like the tentative date.
Through October, I'll have
Alright.
to see if I can do that.
Try to make it happen.
Let's see. What am I down total?
Ugh.
1,500.
No, you don't need to know that. It's fine.
1,500.
What's P and
You
L?
did kill me.
It
Now,
doesn't
this is
matter.
going further down. This is headed for 531. Maybe overnight lows. Ugh.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. It could make sense. It'd be cool to do like a
Oh, Austin? I'll go see my son.
I don't know. It'd be cool to like a meetup in like the office he's building. But at the same time, Vegas is so good for like big conferences just because all the infrastructure's already there. Plus, you can go hit the roulette table after.
Why did I read what Fletcher wrote as autism? I thought
Yeah,
he
it
was
is
trying
true.
to do
Vegas
something
is
in autism.
it is wildly expensive. That's why I stayed at the Flamingo. That's such a
Paul.
bum hotel.
Good man. Jeez.
This is such a whack hotel. Like the
Oh,
hallways,
God.
the hallway legit smelled old. I don't know how else to say that.
Well, could have. Well, that's like staying at the Luxor or the Suxor. It's the same thing. I mean, it just.
Sir.
Is Nvidia crashing?
I don't know what's
the
happening.
Flamingo. I don't. I have
Dang.
to say, I think you're the first person that I've met that's ever stayed at the Flamingo. That's awesome.
You're not the first. Yeah, you're not the first person to say that. I heard that from someone else too.
Let's see. Where have I
Hey,
stayed
man,
in
I have to
Vegas?
do
I've
what I
stayed
have
at
to do.
Caesars.
Hey, I get it, man.
Caesars look really nice.
Stayed
I
at
would
the
say that.
MGM.
When I was like walking through Caesars and like that little pool thing they had outside, it looked really nice.
I went to the SHOT Show once out there, and we stayed, for some reason, I know why we stayed at the Luxor. It was probably $20 a night or something.
But it's not. It's dope as fuck. Yeah,
But
it is sick.
that's where I met the Duck Commander guys. I was in the Benelli booth trying to sell them some stuff. It was pretty awesome.
Wait, the who?
Duck Commanders, Phil
Duck
Robertson
Commander,
and
yeah.
Robertson.
They had that reality show
Phil.
for a while.
Dude,
I met
don't know what that is.
Uncle Si. That dude is hilarious.
I don't know what this is. I know Duck Commander, the dude from the Good Gains chat that would pop in, post like a ridiculous ESPNL, then dip for a month.
Right. I know that guy. Robertson's in there. It was cool. Fletch, it was cool. I had a meeting with Benelli in their booth, and then Benelli had just picked them up as a sponsor because I think Winchester Remington or somebody dropped him. I was like, I don't know who does that, but they were. What you saw is what you see is what you get. I mean, they're great.
Got some bad news, guys.
You gotta go.
No, Jack from Good Gains has been missing for 15 days. I can't get my fix. That was one of my hobbies. My only hobby left now is the Nvidia stock
Nice,
Reddit
Fletch.
when it tanks. That's one of my favourite pastimes. Them just all losing their mind.
I met Arlie Ermy there too when he was still. He was pretty funny too. He was cool. Oh, look at this. Oh,
There's a lot of buying here, but like we're still below opening range now. We're about to retest Payline at 625, and that wick we left for the top side of that like failed attempt to go trade the gap is really sus to me. As of right now, it just kind of looks like we cleared out orders on both sides, like below that 575 area and above the overnight highs, and now we're just back into no man's land.
Let's see what it does at opening range. Where do you have opening range? What, at 8? This opening.
I have opening range low at 6. I'm also on MNQ, by the way. 635 and a quarter or something, and then Payline at 625 quarter.
Okay, it's close. 634.75 on the NQ. So, and you said Payline's at what?
It's always 10 points offset from opening range, so
Yeah,
624.
644. Yeah, so same. Okay, got it. All right.
Wes?
Yes.
Are you okay? I can see you've shifted like 2 feet away from your desk and you're just shaking your head.
I'm all right.
Ah,
okay.
The visual says otherwise. I'm just checking.
I'm okay.
Just checking. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
The NQ better burn and rot in hell here.
Yeah. What do you think about it
Fucking
cleaning up
collapse.
21k 120? What do you think about a drop down to there?
Dude,
I'm good with 14k at this point. It better freaking just crater on its face.
Oh my gosh. He's going scorched earth.
I better
He's
have
going
been
scorched
so
earth.
wrong here that
Oh,
I can't
that
be
you can
upset.
sleep.
we
Right.
traded
Right.
Payline low to like the tick there, and then just rejected. That's a little bearish, I'm not gonna lie.
Good. Fall apart, collapse.
Oh my gosh. He's taking us all down with him, guys. Watch out.
Yeah.
I'm not taking it. Like, I didn't take the short just because I'm locking myself out, done for the day. But that's... I don't know if I would have been able to catch that, though. I think I would have gotten break-even, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would have gotten break-even, I think.
I'm not messing around right here. No.
Right,
fucking
guys,
way.
I'm gonna have to head in a minute. I think we're all
Remember,
done anyway, so
Collect
that's
the
good.
kneecaps.
This thing better freaking crater
Oh,
on its face.
Oh my gosh.
He's got to go collect the duffel bag. Is that where you're going, Nims?
It's not that much money again.
Yeah.
I do need to collect cash though.
Yeah.
They haven't
Not
outlawed
about
hammers
the
yet,
money.
have they?
It's about sending a
I
message.
mean, he's not called me yet, so he might not. He might just be a no-show.
Nims is having duffel bags of cash delivered to his front door today. So
It's not about the money. It's about sending a message.
That's right. Thanks, Paul. It is not about. That's right. It's about sending a message.
And then I want to go to the bookstore.
Nice.
And buy a book on anger management.
I mean, and ship it to a friend in America.
Oh, wow. Come on.
I
man.
mean, on the plus side, I mean, it's not really a positive, but my biggest loss is on a fairly new funded account with my funded futures. So if it goes, it goes,
Okay.
and then
Right.
then I'll be able to have another eval to trade, or I'll have room for another eval.
How much
Okay.
drawdown do you still have on this? that
Let's
account.
see here. I've
Eight.
Only
got
down like what 500 an account?
1100. I have in drawdown on this. thing.
Oh, it's fine.
you're
He's
fine.
complaining about nothing.
Well, it's not nothing, but like I think you'll be okay. That's still
Right.
a reasonable
Ah.
amount of drawdown. It'll
It's
be
a, yeah, it's a brand new. It's a brand.
You know
new
how to
combo.
trade. Just reset a little bit. Maybe
There you
take like once we all dip, take like I don't know 30 minutes or something, an hour. Let the market settle out and then come back.
Yeah, if anybody can dig out, you can.
Probably. I had to do it. Yes, I've been having to do it too frequently recently. That's the problem. It's just I get caught
Are
in these
you
areas
able?
where you have the 40, 50 point snaps out of nowhere.
And
And then
Wes,
it
can
just
you
really
filter
recovers.
your trades? Can you filter your trades by time to see like what your most profitable time period of the day is and least profitable?
When he's not on stream.
I'm sure I could.
That's understandable, honestly, because that helps me a lot.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I do the same.
I think my funded futures on their dashboard, but that's a really small sample size. That's not like a
Yeah,
year's
that's
worth
really
of
fine.
time.
Yeah, that's true.
Like Quant Tower, I haven't done a deep dive into what their statistics page shows and what it doesn't show. And I don't
It's-
have Trade Viz or anything like that.
I hate to kind of try to put the silver lining on this, Wes, but I mean it's you're putting yourself out there and doing
Yeah.
it in front of people. I mean, and it's
Yeah,
tough
man,
and
respect.
100% respect. And folks can learn if they, you know, when you,
No, they can-
I'm not- I'm
they
being-
can-
I'm being serious because
There's
I
not
learned-
much to learn today, brother.
No, there
there is.
If you
If
say
you're
the
not
word
seeing it, you're not
screw it
seeing it.
before a trade,
you know?
then don't put it on. Oh, good lesson.
Valid. That
I'm
is
being
valid.
serious. I mean, because
Oh yeah, that trade.
what
was
happened to you?
definitely
I
highly
get I get
emotional.
caught up in it. Like, oh, that pissed me off. I'll show this market. I'll get this back. And you're like, you just don't. I mean, oh my gosh, the accounts I've blown doing that is ridiculous. You still do it.
I guess it's not a good time to give my running month total.
Dan
Yeah, you've been on fire, bro. GG's to
Dan
that.
What am I up on the month? Let
I'm
me-
sure you're up more than me.
Let me look. After today, I am up. A little over 15K.
Okay, 14,313 for me.
Oh, yeah, we're right there.
Yeah,
Wow, the boys are crushing it.
But
Yeah.
there was a lot of luck involved yesterday when I wasn't looking at the charts.
However, I was up nearly 17K before today.
Ooh.
I'll
It's
give
still-
you my
it's good-
my
it's a
running
good
month
month,
total
Wesley.
on my Apex accounts in a second. I just gotta add it up.
This thing's just gonna chop here for a little bit, isn't it?
Got an average
maybe
trade
not.
time for
Maybe not.
today of 7 hours.
Which means, and you had a 13-hour trade, so.
Yeah, I took a second one to try and bring it down a bit.
It's literally like 2 lifetimes to me. I couldn't do it.
Oh, there goes my Dom.
Ooh.
What's happening? Why's your dome gone?
I don't
For
know.
the whole month, I'm
Is
up across 8 accounts, up 2,132 and a half. It's
You are the
pretty
man.
crap.
Sorry,
Dude,
That's
that's
decent.
so bad. For a whole
What do you
month
mean?
across 8 accounts, are you kidding me?
Nah, but it's just
That's-
it's just a total though, isn't it?
Sorry,
yeah,
chat,
but
I
it
gotta
was.
reconnect.
It's because of the week of. I mean, the last like December was horrible, but from the 6th to essentially 2 weeks, from the 6th of January to the 17th of January, was just straight. I had one green day in 2 weeks. I had one green day. Like that was just disgusting.
UPS down 15% today.
Nima just doesn't care. It's like anyway.
Yeah, he doesn't care. He's like,
I know. He said he
doesn't
was
care.
leaving like not too long ago.
I mean,
UPS
goes
is
through this
down.
Paul goes through this whole thing,
Bob,
and then out
Bob,
of
you're
nowhere,
positive.
you know.
You're positive for the month. You're positive. I don't see what the problem is. It's good.
And Nims is moving on.
Yeah. Oh, that's not the issue. He's
Yeah,
trying
he
to
was like,
complain about
anyway,
stuff.
so my package is here.
yeah. So, yeah. Anyway, enough
like
enough
Ke-
about you. Enough
It's
enough
like-
about me. Let's talk about you. What do you think of my trades?
It's like Kev yesterday. He spent like 6 months trying to pass the 250k. I had 50 attempts at it. He finally passed it, and he sounded like his dog had died.
I mean, those 250Ks are.
A nightmare. Yeah.
Yeah, they really are.
Kev's a good trader, and it shows like what a nightmare they are.
He's good.
Although I feel if he didn't YOLO so much when it was rebuild time, he would have probably passed it sooner.
Yeah. I mean, he doesn't trade with stops at all.
Yeah. Well, if you call them stops, I mean they're
Just liquidation.
Liquidation.
yeah, they're liquidation. Yeah, basically what it is.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Just, well, account's either going to pass or fail right now.
Yeah, dude.
You know, it's the day at the end of the month. He's like, right, I've got 20 minis lined up. Where do you think I should go long?
You're sad that you passed by breaking your rules yesterday. What rule did you break?
Was I at fault for this, Kevin? I feel I'm going to be blamed somehow.
It was 531.
Oh yeah, we're puking. Dude, that payline retest was to the tick. That's crazy. No opportunity for me to enter that, just because I need to see it trade up a little bit higher, so that way I can ideally get short like at payline, but that's pretty nice. Like 70 points below it already.
Watch this nasty reversal.
Yeah, exactly.
honestly.
Kind of ticks down and whoop.
Watch this nasty reversal.
It will be nasty.
I think if we're like getting heavy, we could see 300 personally.
I've got, I like 387 if it wants to get heavy.
Yeah, prior day's low around 368. It's a good
Yeah.
target. Overnight low is the
368.
first target though.
Yep. And we're 7 minutes away from
I'll be back in a second, boys.
Alright,
Word.
yeah, Nvidia's down at 120 a share.
We'll pull up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick too.
It's just me and you, Dave. Just me and you.
It can happen.
Alright.
This work. I don't know, man.
Kev, it was a weird day though. It was a weird day
Yeah,
because FMC
exactly.
and all the different earnings. Like, it wasn't like on a standard day. I agree you broke rules, but yesterday was a weird exception. And like
I would agree
these
with that.
days coming up are big exceptions to a lot of the rules.
I would agree with that. A Oh, this roundup is kind of crazy. Oh, not really.
I mean, you'd expect the YM to be going down today because of Caterpillar missing earnings and Microsoft having like a terrible time with its earnings results, but looks like Waste Management is like holding it up. But yeah, Kev, there's like so many different variables that it can't just be the black and white of VIX green, Nvidia red, or the opposite. And yesterday was just a chop day. You could have made money on longs and shorts. It wasn't like directional.
Right. Does this stupid thing go to VWAP? I don't think so.
All right. Where's his back? I need to stop giving the sympathy in case he's expecting it from me.
I don't expect any sympathy.
Oh, that's good because you're not getting any.
I'll somehow manage to dig my way out. I don't know how, but I'll.
You always do.
Manage.
You do, man.
17 trades of $100 later.
That's what I had to do yesterday. It was like 10 points here, 15 points there.
Right.
Watch Dave catch a banger and make him hold on to it for the
make me hold on to it. You did a good job with that, by the way. That saved my day.
Alright,
to be honest,
crash and
that
burn,
saved my
NQ.
day.
Let's take Nvidia with you. What's Bitcoin?
Let me look at the Bitcoin futures here quick. It's back at, back at almost 106.
Can that thing just die?
Oh.
I'm not alone in despising crypto, am I?
No. I'm not a crypto guy.
When I was transferring money from abroad, like I had to fill out like 3 weeks of forms, like proving like where the money came from, like the entire history of every single penny in it. And then I realized that there was the conclusion that if I was sending it by crypto, they didn't care. Didn't care where the money came from. Didn't give a shit.
Well, maybe somebody knows your history of.
Yes.
What?
My Iranian
Thank you, Paul.
background funding terrorism. Yeah.
Thank you, Paul. Double bags.
You made it sound so sus yesterday when you were explaining that. You're like, I got this guy coming over, and he's dropping off
really
this
did.
bag of money.
Man, I hope the NSA isn't listening.
Where's
here
you
we
in another
go.
trade?
I'm short.
Me?
Okay.
Oh, it
Yes,
is?
I gotta start
Good man.
whittling it back.
You're a good man. Keep it going. Oh, don't do this, Joy.
Alright. Yeah, please, NQ, please run.
Just push it down.
Can't deal with this shaking the head. It's not getting involved.
Oh, I'll probably get wicked out.
We are all rooting for you, Wes.
It's in support right
Everybody's
now.
rooting.
I'm out.
Ah! It is at
It's,
support, but still.
I don't know what it was.
Martin.
Like 150
It was
bucks there.
something. It was something.
It was a winning trade.
Hey, sometimes that's all it takes. I'll send you my Spurs.
With the cow poo on them to make him feel better.
Yes. Right. I should.
Oh, where is this guy? I want to go and do stuff. The shops are going to shut up. I need to get to the bookstore.
Oh my gosh. I want to go to the bookstore.
The bookstore's so good.
Nims has
The
the
smell of the
machete,
bookstore.
machete waiting by the front
Oh
door.
my
Yeah.
gosh, this is just crazy. Nims, I don't know, man. You ever ask yourself how you get in some of this stuff, Nims? Did you ever sit back and go, how did I get here? What?
I mean, yeah, a lot of times. Yeah.
Gosh, I so want this to short this, but I'm not going to.
Oh, and are you trading silver with real money? Because if you are, you're a psycho.
This thing just will not let me catch the banger today. Like, look at this.
Yeah, look
bro.
at that. Oh my gosh.
It
Wes.
just will not let me catch it. It's like
That's
I mean,
disgusting.
you are moving your trading stop to like a point where it can come. And
yeah,
get you
but
pretty
I mean, it does.
That was disgusting.
It's
That was
always the
disgusting.
one more move back in against me to take me out, and then the move, the heavy move. It's
have
never
to
like.
realize.
It's never like it goes back and tests it a few times. It's just the one quick sweep back up and then the flush or the pump.
I mean, Nvidia's crashing. It's down to 119.
Oh, there's IB.
Retail traders are just panicking. YM's at a key support level, if you fancy that.
Let's see.
Just saying.
Yes, it is actually.
Yeah. If you fancy that long.
Not. I don't know.
I mean, I'm just offering you
Yeah.
an index at a key level at a position where
No.
it's a pretty
All right,
defined
I took
trade.
a quick snap short there. I'm up 990.
Nice.
For reference.
No. Is he gonna show his charts, his entry?
I mean,
But this is a point of support right here at 505.
let's see.
Would you
here.
call it a key level, Dave?
Well, 530 was 531 is what I had called out, I think even maybe on the stream.
All right.
Um,
I was short
and
from
shorts-
569 here, boys. 569.
If it can blow through this, we're headed down to Palm, where I think you and I talked earlier. We're at least headed to 440, 445.
Like prior day's low.
Well, prior day's low is way down. I'm
Okay.
talking. If you
sorry,
but if you
I
look on the
closed charts.
15-minute, there's a big wick. I wouldn't. I mean, I'd target halfway of. I'd target 50% of that wick.
Dave, I'm gonna have to trust you because I closed the charts.
No worries. I should close, honestly, I should close mine. I mean, I'm playing with fire right now.
I am long on the YM.
You're about to meet up with somebody. You just.
Yeah, look, this is not the
Really
smartest
God.
trade. I'm in 3 minis.
Let's see. There's 531. It's gonna play right around that.
I'm almost thinking about taking the 530 long.
And that's just
God, I need to put a break
equilibrium
in
of
and stop in
yesterday's
this. This is
range.
stupidly over leveraged.
There's still that block at 500 that it didn't hit.
I'm out.
I mean, 505 I show as some support.
Alright, I made $60.
Jeez, look at that hourly candle on ES.
Oh god, don't do it, YM. Oh.
I find it hard to believe that it wouldn't clean up that order at 500. That it would come
Agree.
all the way down here and leave that. What did
That's what it's been doing to me for the last month.
Yeah. I should have taken my my last contract off. I think that's what I'm gonna do is use the harmonic rotations from Order Flow Labs as my like full target on the last runner. harmonics for NQ today were 73 points, which is just about what it hit before it reversed. So I think that's how I'll manage the runner contract, is just look for the full harmonic rotation.
I have not heard harmonics before.
I don't actually know how they're calculated. I know I asked Mantis in the Good Gains Discord about how they're done, and he explained it to me. It's way over my head, honestly. I can like find the comment he sent me and link you to it. But it's essentially just like a
Doesn't Goose
kind of like
use harmonic rotations for his as a part of his?
yes. Yeah, so that I'm getting them from his Discord, from the Order Flow Alerts channel. And I think he coded that. He might have coded that into the Glizzy Clipper. I'm not sure. I've never seen the code for that. But long story short, I think it's like a kind of like an average trading range, average true range thing, but for a certain, like on the 1 minute chart, but also over the course of like.
It's a $400 trade.
Market
All right,
structure.
we're down. We're whittling away, boys. We're whittling away.
Yeah, send me a link to that, Palm.
Yeah, I'm gonna find it right now.
That'd be great.
I FOMO'd back in on the YM. I'm currently up $500.
Yes, I saw you get in on that, and I didn't want to say anything because I just wanted it to run your direction and not be blamed if it didn't. But I was like, go.
I mean, I told you I was looking at it.
Oh yeah. I mean, I was like, come on, just go.
Whittling our way back. We are now down less than $1,000.
That's fantastic, dude.
Nice. Come on, YM, a little bit more.
We are struggling. I love how Phoenix wanted us here, and he's just disappeared from the chat.
Gone.
He's just gone. He's nowhere to be found.
I blame Phoenix for your P&L today.
Yeah, there he is. Oh, he's down $800. Okay. All right. Yeah, you're right there with me.
Yeah, that's a bummer.
I'm up $1,705.
Of course.
I mean, look at the trade. I gave it to you, Wes. I gave it to you on a plate. I said, do you want it?
Let me go over and look at YM. Yeah, it's a good trade.
Yeah.
100 points. 90 points.
Yeah, I did say to you, I said, there's a good trade there for you if you want it. It's going to keep going, I think.
Yeah, it's looking like a pretty strong hold at that level for sure. Back up to what, like 45-1?
And that puts me at 15,300 for the month. And that's me done for the month.
You know
Big
what
GG,
happens?
that's awesome.
Yeah, that's a great
That's a great month.
I mean, I was stupid because I was chasing the 15k marker, and I was over leveraged in that trade, but it did look really good.
Chasing the profit targets.
Oh my god, look at it go! Oh god, why did I get out? Jesus.
Yeah, that was let's see, what time is it right now? 20 to 11.
Alright, did anyone else take that YM trade?
No, you're gonna hear crickets. I'm expecting Palm on the soundboard here very soon.
Even though I'm a boomer, no.
Stand by.
Stand by.
Alright.
I'm trying to find the Order Flow Labs thing that Mantis sent me that explained harmonics, so I can link Dave to it, but I can't find it.
So, dad joke. You know what happens when somebody slaps you at a high frequency?
Oh, never mind. Got it.
I think I like longs back up. All of a sudden.
I mean, look at the YM go.
Dave, I just tagged you in Good Gains chat.
Okay.
So go to that message, and then Mantis explained it there. He said it uses fractal candle sequences on a 1 minute chart during regular trading hours to calculate the average rotation over a 10-day average.
Well, I get the fractal business, so let's.
I don't know how to use that, but I just know that the harmonics work. Whatever they're doing, it's working.
I'm not a paid member. I see where you tagged me. I'm going to go to his. Oh, you tagged me, but I don't. Oh, I am not a paid member, but it uses fractal sequences on 1 minute chart during RTH calculating. That's what you're talking about? Okay.
Yeah, so it's like a good, I found at least a good measure of how far the market might move on any given like momentum rotation before seeing a reversal. It's again, it's an average, so it could overshoot, could undershoot, but I think it's a good, at least for me, that's how I'm going to start using it, is like whatever the harmonic rotations for the day are over the last 10 days, that's just how wide I'm going to set my runner target, so that way I'm at least kind of in a reasonable range, as opposed to looking for like a 150 point trade on a day where we only have a 73 harmonic rotation.
Yeah, that makes sense. So it's basically, where you want to set your take profits and stuff.
Yeah, for my runner target.
Or where a reversal could happen.
Right.
I like your meme, your Bernie Sanders meme. That's hilarious.
Yeah, dude, because they were at like 100 and I just kept getting wicked out of everything.
That's pretty good.
If I'll give this as a selling point for the YM. Just looking at today, the maximum that I've been down in a trade today is $150.
Goated.
That's the YM. The YM's goated.
Alright,
No, I think you're just a good trader.
No,
only down.
I think the YM's just easy.
I think you just closed a 15K month. That's pretty impressive.
That's really
It's the
impressive.
YM's just easy, man. I think it's that. I feel it's just a
That's
snooze
pretty
fest. But
impressive. So Wes, you're gaining it back?
I'm only down $600 now.
nice.
Nice job.
All right. Now just size up, say screw it before the trade, and you can. Right, I'm gonna call this guy because what the fuck?
Here it goes. Here we go.
Get him.
Here we go.
Put him on speaker, blast him.
Yeah.
Please put him on speaker.
Be like, yo, you're on this live stream from this dude that lives in Kentucky. What do you have to say for yourself?
Some other guy wearing a cowboy hat. What do you have to say for yourself?
3,800 on silver, Martin. Wow.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, guys, I don't know. I do not know.
Did you just? I saw you in a trade.
He's climbing back out of the hole.
Are you out the hole now? It looks like out the
Not
hole.
yet, but he's
maybe.
getting close.
600 down still. Not out of the hole.
Okay.
I've made 1,000
I'm behind
back.
on the stream. I'm behind on the stream as you.
Yeah, how do you get so far behind on the stream? How does
Yeah,
that happen?
sometimes it lags, and it's been lagging for me a little bit. I just have to continually look to see if I'm live, if that red light's on for live, and click it. But yeah, sometimes it'll do that. It's weird. But yeah, you get way behind Nims.
We got a YN already. Okay. I resent that term. Just trying to make people money. They refuse to listen to me.
Oh my god!
You're not activating your PA, Kev, until you
Oh
follow
my
your
God.
until you pass one following your rules. What?
Just activate it, Kevin.
Yeah, you only have so long to activate those things.
Yeah.
10 points away from 1,000, so I just try to make that, and then watch it go
I'm
down
gonna go
to
get food real quick.
negative.
I'll be right back.
All right, Palm.
$10, I should say.
Yeah, Dave, 16 contracts right now.
Right, exactly. Because, the old me would have just, I'm only this far away from getting this one done. No, I'm not doing this. I won't do it. If I follow my rules. That's right, Kevin. Which, dude,
Why are you
spent
punishing
years-
yourself, Kevin? Why are you punishing yourself?
yeah, you spent years doing those rules. Stick to them, man.
Yeah.
You honed them over years.
If someone's gonna punish and shit on you, it should be me.
And his alloy bat.
Yeah.
You don't need a DeMarini for that. That's too expensive. You can just get an Easton alloy bat. It'll be fine.
Cav, I think that's optimistic of passing it in 1 week with how those things are structured. They're designed to make you fail.
Oh, this feels like a major fake out on the shorts. I need to be careful here.
Yeah, be very
There
careful.
we
Did
go.
you go short?
Yeah.
How am I behind again? God, okay, right.
I agree with what you're thinking there, Wes. It's just after that big wick down.
Yep.
Are you long or short?
Short. But I need to be careful. It's holding.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
is your level.
I'm not going to say a word. Come on. Do it for him.
I just want to say that block down there at 500 is clutch, but this thing's holding on too much. I gotta
That's
kill it.
yeah, right there. Yeah, that's. Yep, there it goes. Good kill. Even if it comes back, good kill, because how much you gonna get? Oh shit! Never mind.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you every time,
Oh my
Dave.
god!
Literally
Oh my
every time.
gosh!
Literally every time.
Literally, as I was speaking, that I still think it was a good kill because I think this is gonna go up. But ugh.
I do too.
I'd have done it with you. I'd have killed it right. I don't know if I'd have. Yeah, I'd have killed it.
There we go. Porch is trading the YM, asking me about the YM. Here you go. Sensible man.
He's actually not. He's not trading it. He's just asking you questions to make you feel relevant.
No. He's got the charts up. He's got little things marked on them.
All right, we are holding this area way too well.
You thinking about a long?
Yep. It didn't flush hard like I would wanted to see there.
Yeah.
Yes,
Playing
Porch.
it for life.
Hashtag YM for life. That's right.
Oh, that's funny.
In fact, let's give it a go.
Isn't this just a chop zone though from yesterday?
A little bit,
Okay.
but it is a key level. So if it holds, we're probably going right back to the top.
Well, yeah. Look at the volume.
See one of
It'll
those
just blow.
V bottoms.
Wes, I think it get past where that volume is there. It'll blow right through the rest of that. I agree with that. It'll accelerate through if it can get like past. What is that? 590 or so. Maybe a little higher.
Whoa, Porch. You take that back. Alright, you give me all the credit.
I mean, I'm looking at the volume on the side of your chart there.
Yeah, my volume
West.
profile, this little area.
Yeah, and if it could get through that little heavier part there, there's nothing to stop it from kind of freewheeling up.
Alright. Come on, NQ.
Come on, do it.
Getting back to break even, and then he'll take it off, and then it will run loads, and then he'll complain about that.
I don't have a
Wow.
stop on just yet.
This is one of those. This is going or it's not going.
Looks like it's going.
You've got onto something. Come on.
Yikes.
Actual hell.
I do need to be careful here. I can't let it just nuke.
Yeah, don't let it snap.
The fact that it didn't grab new highs there is scary.
Yeah.
Crickets.
It's too fast paced for me. There's too much excitement. My heart's going and I'm not even in the trade.
Yeah, I mean, it's holding where it needs to hold, but I just hope it doesn't give one of those violent sweeps down and then recover again, which is what it's looking like it might do.
Come on. 2 seconds left. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Starting to feel pretty snappy.
Come on.
Nah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. What's the worst that could happen?
What's the worst that could happen? What are we talking about here? Violent snap out of nowhere.
Finally slaps down to 120. You lose your account and I'm right.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on.
Yeah, Phoenix Palms just discovered the soundboard. He didn't notice it yesterday.
Yeah.
Nah, I think
Go
you're fine,
for it.
Wes. I think you're fine.
I don't think so.
It's holding where it needs to hold.
No, it's not.
Mm.
I might delay it because it looks alright.
Yeah, you're delayed.
Alright, yeah, it's starting not to look as good.
And here's the snap.
Let's open this thing.
Well, at least you regain it. Come on. The
I'm
15
still
minute
in,
hasn't
but-
gone. Oh, it just went red. 15 minute. It hadn't up to that point. Come on. Get
I just
back.
think Nvidia is looking like it wants to implode on itself today.
This thing has to get back above 560. If it doesn't, I gotta kill it. This thing's gonna snap. Heavy. There's this heavy snap, and I'm out.
Oh, shoot.
Back down over 1,000.
Jeez Louise, this thing. Come on.
I think now is the perfect time to say
I think it just chops. Watch it just snap down now.
you could still be chilling in that YM trade I gave you.
Jeez.
Oh,
Look at
it's looking
this.
ugly on the YM too now.
God dang it. No follow through right now. There was a little earlier, but nothing now.
Trust the duck and long if it holds 500? I don't know. I don't know, Phoenix. This is heavy.
I think it's going to clean
Yeah.
out what you were talking about earlier, though, Wes. That 500. Was there still blocks there?
Yeah, that box
Nvidia
still
down to
sitting there.
118, down 4% on the day.
All the larger blocks are to the downside now. 500 and 300 are the big ones.
Come on.
See, and that's what I get. That's why I move my stop to break even when I do that right there. And then I don't do it and it snaps against me. I'm just I don't know if I could have worse execution than possible right now. Like, it doesn't matter which side I take. It's no win.
Sometimes it just
In
be
the
like
words
that.
of yourself, wait for the extremes. Just
True.
for,
I
like,
did-
later
Some
for the
days
rest
you're
of
in
the day.
sync,
I
some days
did-
you're
I-
not in sync.
I did there. I did wait there. I was up over $400 on the trade. Didn't take it. Didn't want to move my stop to break even because at the time we were holding support. And then what do? Not put the stop in because I don't want to put it in just yet. And it snaps and I exited at the other extreme.
Well, you know whose fault that is. It's Dave not saying take it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I never said a word. I was cheerleading that thing the whole time.
You should have said something. That's what we're getting at, Dave. You should have said take your 20 points, Wes.
Oh, that there I should have. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like, I mean, it doesn't matter how I'm executing, though. Do you see what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, it
Yeah.
just
No.
doesn't
Some
matter.
days you're in sync. Yeah. Yep. Some days you're just out of sync.
3k a day easy if I follow my rules. I don't think if it was that easy to make 3k a
it's-
day,
there
then
you go.
none of us would be here, Kev.
It's true. It's true. It's true.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't
Well-
have taken it wouldn't have taken 50 accounts to or 50 times to pass a 250k eval
Yeah.
either if that was the case.
We wouldn't be on the live stream. We'd be sending geolocation so we can meet up with our yachts.
Yeah. Very true.
Those overnight lows. Let's see what it does here. It bounced right off of it. It's got to blow through it, though, don't you think?
Yeah, that block's still sitting there right at 500.
Yeah, I think this is going way south today.
See,
Oh, there it goes.
what's amazing is
I
I
just missed it.
was short from 569, and then it looked like it was gonna get bullish, and got me out of my short. I flipped long. It looks like it's running, and then it just snaps all the way back down.
Yeah.
I'm not touching this. I'm up. I'm not going to. Every time I try to touch it, when I get greedy, I lose everything. So I'm not doing that.
What, are you trying to short the break?
Almost jumped in. I was going to short it because I knew it was going to blow through it. And then I was like, this is where I wreck myself because I'm up pretty good today. There's no reason to risk that.
Damn, everybody's up but me.
I mean, typically that's a trade I take every day, twice on Sunday, just boom. Because you're going to get 10 to 20 out of it.
Yeah, 460 seems inevitable.
120 seems inevitable to me.
Yeah, I can't kick myself. I'm done okay.
What does the daily look like here? Oh, yuck.
Got that gap. Jesus.
I know.
Yeah. What do we have for tomorrow? What's the news for tomorrow? What's it setting us up for?
So the daily 20 is at 440.
It's just freeze.
Isn't the daily 20 normally pretty solid?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. David, I mean, look at what we've got this evening.
Yeah, I saw that too. So you're
Yeah,
right.
Intel.
It's
You
setting
look
us
at
up.
the Intel earnings as well. That's what
Yeah.
the market's waiting for.
As a matter of fact.
Have they kicked Intel out yet of the Nasdaq?
I don't think so.
No, didn't they get a new CEO just recently that's says he's gonna turn everything around?
Oh yeah, of course.
It's like I was saying, people don't know digital today, and back in the day, digital was everything. Same with WAN computers.
So they had a CEO from 2013 to 2018, a CEO from 2018 to 2021, a CEO from 2021 to 2024, and now they've got a new CEO. None of
Yeah.
them have done anything.
I would just like to point out that Nim said he was going to give us 30 minutes today and did not come on camera, and he has now been here for 2 hours.
Yeah, well, I was told 3 o'clock my time that he was coming round. Don't make me call him again. I'm gonna start getting triggered. I'm not gonna get to go. I'm not gonna get to go to the bookstore now. I was really excited.
Maybe the book you should get is How to Gain Friends and Influence People. Maybe you should buy that book.
I've got that book.
What you trying to say, Dave?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to say anything. I kind of am saying it.
Double down.
Double down. That's right. Oh, see,
Well,
that's
Apex-
a trade I'd have taken all the time.
Apex bumped their lifetime fee to 100 now from 85.
I mean,
Good
it
old days
seems
are gone.
Well, I think it's I think
We
they
had
need to
someone
keep
in the
bumping
voice
it up.
chat yesterday that said because he lives in it was actually Psychic Bacon or Ethan.
Yeah.
He lives in South Africa, and that's a banned country from trading Apex. They allowed him to purchase a combine, passed it,
But not fund it.
and then didn't fund
he
it.
passed it, and then and then said, "Oh,
Yeah,
we know you
sorry.
made 1,000 or something in it, but we can't pay you
Zero reimbursement.
Yeah, that's pretty shit.
because you're in South Africa."
You want to talk about unethical?
I agree.
Unethical.
That is pretty shit.
Come on, Naz, let's just nuke for some
I mean, I
fun.
get why they couldn't pay him, and if they paid him, they'd probably get in trouble. So I understand that, but
No, but it should have been upfront. Like he shouldn't have been able to get that far.
Yeah,
into the
he shouldn't have been
process.
able to purchase even an evaluation.
Or at least come to a compromise that they pay him in like Trump coin.
Alright, let's try this bounce here.
or Melania coin.
How
I
are
like
those
this
things
bounce
doing?
spot. So Paul, remember we were talking earlier that 15-minute, almost half of that wick of that down to 450. We were talking. I thought it'd be 440, but there it is.
Nice. I
didn't take
still
it,
can't
but-
see the chart, so
Oh,
I
never
just
mind.
closed it. We
I like your bounce spot. Come on, give him some run.
I just submitted my ACH deposit request for my personal, so my plan is going to be trade the fundeds on Mondays and Fridays because those are historically my worst days. So I take some risk off the table there, and then trade personal Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Nice.
Nice.
Inspired
Melania
by
coin's
Nima.
doing well.
It's some
Melania coin. Jesus.
Melania coin.
It's only down 84%.
Come on, get some legs.
Oh, I'm
Did you
taking
see
it.
how like her outfit
Break
during
even, brother.
the inauguration?
Yeah, good man. Say that again. Sorry.
Did we talk about this already? Melania's outfit during the inauguration. She
No,
looked like
she's
Agent
taking no.
47 or whatever that is.
Yeah, she's
that
taking
movie.
no prisoners. That was a message.
Wait, what did it say? I missed that.
The outfit.
Yeah, what was the outfit?
Just look up a picture of it. She looks like Agent 47. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Agent 47. That's a great reference, by the way.
I mean, like look at it and then look at a picture of Agent 47. They look similar.
Is
That
that
is a great
is that
reference.
Mousy? Cute pets and animals in the chat.
It's gotta be.
It's gotta be Mousy.
Yeah. Just changed the name trying to push her account.
Oh, Wes, you did so good. Wes, you took the money, brother. Good job. Look at the dump.
Yeah, let's see here. What am I down now? I'm down 200 plus 500. So $700 is what I'm down right now.
That's not too bad.
Well, here comes 3.
It's right where I was yesterday after the stream.
Here comes 385, 86.
In fact, we're probably
This
gonna call it here soon, boys. I mean, it's 11
Yeah, it's
o'clock.
getting late.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
need to...
Sounds good.
This
You need-
dude Brian from Goose's Discord, Brian Trades, is such an animal of a scalper.
I
Yeah,
know.
he is.
He's
That
had
dude
like
He's awesome.
I did some light pocket watching like earlier this week, and he was up 31K this month, and then I think factoring in today he's up like 33, 34. Such an animal.
Dude's an assassin on
Yeah,
Scout.
he's really,
crazy.
really, really good.
Man, he's good.
There's a point where we were talking about him coming on stream. But he
I
just-
would
he'd
love
be
to
a
see
great
that.
person if he's interested.
would
I
love
think
to
he'd
see
be a
that.
great person to have on stream.
Yeah. I think I would love to see it. Be a nice crossover. Like in the old days when they used to cross over sitcoms. Let's do it.
Do I try it again? Is the question.
Yeah, what could go wrong?
Screw it.
A lot could go wrong. It's just that 460 like key support level. I mean, buyers are really going to try to defend right here. I'm a little
You
late.
can do it.
Can't take it at 470, but I could have
No,
got.
you can't take it right now. Let it come back. It's either got to come back or blow up through so you can get something. Can't. I mean, now it's no man's land. And that's saying something because I'll take almost any trade anywhere. So I'm just gonna put it out there.
At least you're self-aware.
All right. I really need to decide.
I can't believe people think Mahomes is better than Brady.
I can't believe that either. I don't buy that.
I don't buy it either.
All right, let's try it.
I got long at 69.50, just so you know, but I'm going break even. I'm not going to let anything run back on me. I agree with you, Paul.
It's crazy.
Oh, it's going to come back and take
People
me out.
losing their minds.
I mean, Tom Brady did it with sometimes no weapons, sometimes great weapons, and sometimes zero weapons. And he made receivers better when they got
The fact that he has more rings, that one person has more rings than any franchise in history is so insane. It's so insane.
Yeah.
And he moves to Tampa Bay and gets a ring right after he moves. So yeah, he makes everybody better around him. So, that to me, when he went to Tampa Bay and won, is the deal. Well, it took me out break even.
Darn.
I'm still in.
I'm good. I'm good. I didn't lose on it.
Nice.
In fact, I got $7.20 out of it.
Oh, it just snaps so heavy sometimes. It just looks.
Yeah, it's
I
a
don't
pretty
know.
aggressive puke.
Yeah, I think this might consolidate a little bit, maybe. That's what I think.
Still in.
Not so sure. Let's see what happens here. But this 5 minute, I don't like this 5 minute if it stays red. If it can go up to 505 again, that'd be all right. Close that up. And I like the reversal if it can go up there. Or at least a retracement.
This is pretty tense.
Nah, not really.
Oh, I'm feeling pretty
we
tense
chill.
about it.
Yeah.
Well, you're tense because you're like mentally preparing for a fight. So
Yeah, that's true. That's very true.
Collect money, that's it. I just want the chill collection of the money.
So good.
I hate having to ask for it. It's such a pain in the ass.
Now,
Yeah.
what I will say, Palm, is, I mean, Holmes does put the offense on his back. I will say that. There's no question. So,
yeah, I mean, he's a
He's-
quarterback. It's your job.
yeah, it's true. And he does that. There's sometimes that he's dragging him across just on his own. He's not getting help. But to say you're better than Brady,
The Chiefs'
Team
defense is really
team on his
good.
back, ref on his
Yeah.
nuts.
Yeah, I mean,
Spags is important.
refs removed from the situation. The Chiefs' defense is really solid.
Oh, Spags is a great defensive
Yeah.
coordinator. Hell, he beat the Patriots twice in the Super Bowl.
Yeah,
So-
like that's. Did you see
Yeah.
that Glenn Powell and Ben Johnson are both head coaches now? Glenn Powell's with the Raiders, Ben Johnson's with the
Yeah.
Bears.
I saw
That's
that.
gonna be. I'm excited to see if they like actually are good teams next season. I think that could be interesting.
I had
I'll
a
tell you
hot
what.
key flat in that one.
Those guys
Hey,
are
what the
both good.
Patriots are going to be good. I think Vrabel is the right hire.
Oh man, I hope so.
And I mean, Josh McDaniels coming back. I mean, I don't
We'll
know.
see.
I'm optimistic about the Pats.
I don't have a ton of faith in them. I really don't.
UPS down 17.1% on the day.
Earnings?
I think Amazon said that they're going to stop using them a bit.
Oh yikes! That's actually
Yeah,
pretty
well,
tough.
there you go.
My Funded Futures banned Dubai.
Woof.
I wonder why they would ban Dubai.
I mean, probably all the traders using their platform for P&Ls to sell trading courses.
I mean, it could be. It very well could be. All right, guys, we're gonna call it for the session here today. I am down $850 currently, so
Not as bad.
not a great
It
trading
wasn't as
day,
bad.
but I was down a little over 1,500, so I'm not gonna sit here and cry about it.
That was a good clawback.
If you want to cry about it, it's okay, Wes.
I'm not gonna cry about that.
No, it's fine. Alright?
Go to the range, smoke some golf
Yeah.
balls, feel
If
better.
you need
There
to
you
end,
go.
if you need to end the stream because you want to have a cry, it's okay.
No, I need to end the stream because I'm getting hungry and want to go eat
Yeah.
something.
There you go.
Alright.
I
Right.
haven't eaten anything yet today, and I went for a 5-mile run this morning. So
Over
5
5
miles.
miles.
That's a pretty extreme run for the first run back.
I mean, it was slow pace.
Yeah,
I
you're
think
gonna feel that one.
I think I was running like 7.5-minute mile.
You were definitely gonna feel that one though.
Yeah.
I already feel it. My legs feel like
7.5 minutes a mile, brother.
Yeah.
That's not slow.
That's
What?
not
Yeah,
slow
that is
at all.
not slow.
Jesus. I thought you were saying 7.5 a kilometer, and I was like, okay, alright, he's taking it easy.
No, 7.5 a mile is not slow.
What?
That's
What is it?
Yeah.
I don't
That's
know.
good pace.
Pounding around the neighborhood.
Like
That
that.
is
Marathon
good.
Like
pace was like
that.
8:45.9.
I mean, that's a 10K pace for me.
That's
Okay,
You
that's
shouldn't
quick.
train
Yeah.
and run marathons. You could be disgusting.
Yeah, you could be.
I mean, let's see. When I'm like really in shape, I try to hold like a sub 6.5-minute mile.
Yeah, you should train and run marathons.
Wait.
Yeah.
Let me get the pace up so I can compare it to what.
I had a guy work for me. He ran those 50. I think what are they? 50 milers or 100 milers or something like that. I can't remember what they call them.
It's
He
a
ran-
slight 80-mile-per-hour stroll. No, not even close.
Yeah.
No, my
Ultra
He was.
marathon.
Have you
ultramarathon.
guys
He
ever
was-
been
he was a Navy
timed in the
SEAL.
mile?
He was a Navy SEAL. He could just. I mean, he was like weakness or pain is weakness leaving the body. It was. He goes. It's all mind over, man.
Oh, is this
Not for
Goggins?
me.
Are we talking about Goggins?
No, I'm talking about a guy that worked for me. That
Oh
did
my
do that.
god. He's an
Yeah.
animal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
was
I mean, what your slow pace is like 22-minute 5Ks is what you're calling it?
Yeah,
Jesus.
somewhere around there.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, alright.
not slow.
That's pretty fast.
That's
I
really
don't-
fast.
I
Yeah.
don't know, man. I just start running and run, and then I look down at my
Okay.
pace every now and then.
So what's your fast pace?
I've clocked a
Olympic.
sub 430 mile, but that's all out mile, just 1 mile.
What's like a standard fast pace, like when you're in form?
Like for what distance?
Like per mile, like pace.
If like we're running distance here, like we're talking.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
running,
like 5K, like 3 miles or whatever.
like 3 miles. Yeah, I would say if it was a race, I would try to run sub 6.
Jesus.
Gosh,
I think you should train for marathons
That's
and run
pretty good.
marathons. I think you'd be pretty good at them.
you must just blow through the wall like it's nothing. Or have no wall. I mean, I couldn't. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's elite. Like you'd be in top positions of most park runs in the UK at that pace.
Yeah. Yeah, you'd be.
Do you
up
have
in the front
park
of
runs
pack
in the
here, too.
US? Do you have park runs?
I'm sure they do.
What's a park
There's like run clubs and stuff like that you can join.
Park
Yeah,
run's
what's a
like
park
a English phenomenon where everyone gathers on a Sunday morning and runs around a park all around the country, and everyone puts like all the times go up on the boards. It's like you can go slow. There's people who go and take it serious.
Yeah, those
It's
are
not
called,
like a.
those are called races over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna
Oh,
say.
it's meant to be like a chill thing. It's not like an actual
So-called
race. It's called
races,
park run. Yeah.
There's run clubs here, but it's not like a national thing. It's just like you have a run club, you guys like go out and run, and then everyone goes and gets a beer after or something.
Yeah.
Right, because there's different ones. People travel around the country because there's some which go like along like beaches and up cliffs and things, which have like the slowest like times. And then there's like Battersea Park, I think, is one of the fastest ones. But yeah, I could go to like 3 different park runs on a Sunday if I wanted to, and they're all filled with people. It's just a weird
pretty
English
cool.
thing.
I don't know. You
Yeah.
guys say my times are elite. They're not elite. I would get smoked in a race.
Yeah, I know they're not elite, but
They're
I
not
mean,
elite, but you're fast.
I mean, yeah,
for sure.
you're
They're
not
like-
eating.
there's elite, and then there's like the top like 3-4% that you would be in.
I don't even know if I'm there. 3-4%.
there you
Are you kidding me, dude?
Yeah.
High school kids run way faster than me.
Wes, you want to travel up to Vermont in August and we'll run a marathon together?
There you go.
In August?
Yeah,
we
yeah.
we
Yeah.
can talk about it.
Yeah, GoPro live
A
stream.
marathon, though, man. That's
Yeah.
that's
You gotta train for
grueling.
it, but I think you can do it.
What town is
Live
it in?
stream it. Like,
And I'll take.
who's first to be
Is
sick?
Palm and I yakking on the side of the,
Yeah.
on the side of the road, just projectile vomiting at
Yeah.
the 21st mile.
Side of the road.
Me having to carry Palm at mile 22 because his knee gives out on him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like, it was terrible, dude.
Oh,
I was
God.
struggling. Let me find my confirmation I had for it, and I'll tell you, Dave.
That would be a pretty run. I mean, up in Vermont, that would be nice.
Yeah, it's along the Green River, something like that.
Oh, nice.
I watched it holding that
Vermont. Oh,
level,
so
like,
that's going to be
rock solid.
extremely hilly run as well.
Well, so it's hilly, but it's all downhill, which is why I signed up for this one.
Oh, nice.
Isn't that
nice.
awful on
The-
your knees? Like just having to like stop the inertia
It's-
constantly.
Yeah, well, that's what I was worried about. It's not like a crazy slope though. It's just like a gentle downhill, so it's fine. It just all it does really is just pick up your time a little bit, so you run faster. It starts in Greenfield, Massachusetts, and then runs into and finishes in Vermont. It's called the New England Green River Marathon,
Oh, nice.
and that's in August 24th. So if you want to come run it with me, it should be an easier run. Like comparatively to other marathons, it should be easier because it's all downhill.
There's no such thing as an easy marathon.
Yeah,
Like, I'm
that
saying
is-
it's like-
I know.
That is facts.
I'm saying
Oh.
relative.
How many marathons have you done, Paul?
Just one. I've done 2 half marathons and one full.
Do you enjoy it?
Well, like 2 official event halves and 1 official full. Like my training runs, I was hitting half marathons like weekly at least.
You enjoy it then?
I like it when it's warm out. Like I wouldn't run now, but when it's like 50s, 60s plus, even if it's like hot, like running in the summer, even though it was like 90 degrees, I still liked it. So yeah, I like it when it's warm.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
it'll
if
be-
it's cold, it's,
It'll be nice though that time of year in Vermont. I mean, it'll be
yeah,
nice
it'll
and
be
dry.
beautiful.
Yeah.
I hate running, but I just run so I don't die of heart disease.
Yeah, it's fair. Good cardio. You could also do like if you want other cardio, you could do like rowing, swimming. You don't have to run.
Yeah. I mean, running's the most easy accessible. I don't really like the
Yeah.
rowing machines at the gym.
Try swimming.
All right, boys, we're gonna call it there. I know Palm's got to go to work here soon.
Yeah, I need to make
it's
some
like-
calls. I need to find out where this guy is, because this is taking the piss.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Yikes.
All right, well, Nims, good luck with your threatening.
I don't want to
Good
threaten.
luck with your extortion.
Yeah.
Get your bag, Nims. Get your
literally
bag.
The extortion. Make sure the duffel bag's
your
at
bag.
the door. Palm, we'll
Nims
talk
has got
about
another bag.
we'll talk about this Vermont marathon more in the future.
Okay. Yeah, if you're
Uh,
interested, let me know.
Dave, GG's on the good day. Palm, good.
Yeah.
GG's on the green day.
Thanks.
I'm
Finally,
ending this.
overdue.
I'm ending the stream down 800. So I had the worst day today on stream.
No GG for me. I get it. I saw what you did there.
Yeah. That's right.
No GG. All
That's
right.
right. I'm trying to keep you angry.
Get that
You
aggression
know?
I
out.
like it. I
Yeah.
like it.
Get the kitchen knife out.
Oh my gosh. Like,
All right, Chad. Thanks for tuning in for the early Thursday session of Trading with the Boys. I'm not sure if we're gonna do it tomorrow or not.
I might go golfing.
No, I'm off tomorrow.
I might actually take tomorrow off as well.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
typically don't trade
Cool.
well on Fridays, and today hasn't been a great trading session for me, so I probably should chill out on a Friday trading. So yeah, guys, thanks for
Not bad.
tuning in, and we will see you on Monday. Peace.